Imagine unlocking the door to financial freedom with just three numbers: 50, 30, and 20. Ah, the allure of such simplicity, don't you agree? Let's embark on an enlightening journey into the realm of personal finance. A journey where we'll unravel the mystery of the 50-30-20 rule. It's not a complex mathematical theorem, nor an elusive code. Rather, it's a golden key that opens the door to a healthier financial lifestyle. This rule, my friends, is a straightforward yet powerful guideline for managing your money. It's a brilliant tool designed to help you balance your spending and savings in a way that aligns with your lifestyle and goals. Yet, we won't reveal too much just yet. After all, what's a good story without a bit of suspense? Intrigued? Keep watching to unlock the secret to a healthier financial lifestyle. Punch that like button with your mouse and then again to subscribe. It is much appreciated. Let's dive into the heart of the matter. What exactly is the 50-30-20 rule? You might be wondering. Well, picture your income as a pie, and this rule is your guide on how to slice it for a balanced financial diet. The first slice, which should be about half of your income, is meant for your needs. This is your 50%. These are the things you can't live without: your rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities, and health insurance. It's the basic stuff that keeps your world spinning. Now, don't confuse needs with wants. That's a common mistake. Wants are things you could live without but choose not to, and they make up the next slice. This is your 30%. It's the cherry on top of your financial pie. Your Netflix subscriptions, dinners out, vacations, and that fancy coffee you love so much. These are not necessities, but they do enrich your life. And finally, the remaining 20% of your income should be allocated to savings or paying off debt. This is your safety net, your buffer against the unexpected, and your ticket to financial freedom. It's like putting a little piece of that pie away for a rainy day. So, for example, if you bring home $2,000 a month, $1,000 will go to your needs, $600 to your wants, and $400 to your savings or debt. Remember, these percentages are not rigid. They are a starting point, a guideline to help you manage your finances. You may need to adjust them based on your personal circumstances. Maybe you live in a city with high living costs, or you're aggressively paying off student loans. That's okay. The key is to keep the spirit of the rule: balance. So you see, the 50-30-20 rule isn't a magic spell, but a simple and effective guideline to organize your financial life. It's like an old friend, always there to lend a hand when you're not sure how to divide your pie. And who doesn't appreciate a friend like that? Why should you care about the 50-30-20 rule? What's in it for you? Well, let me tell you, my dear friends, the power of this rule is nothing short of transformative. Firstly, the 50-30-20 rule encourages financial discipline. It's like a personal trainer for your wallet, pushing you to keep your spending in check and ensuring you're always in the best financial shape. By allocating half of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayments, you're creating a structured plan that guides your spending decisions. No more late-night online shopping sprees that leave you wondering where all your money went. With the 50-30-20 rule, you'll know exactly where every pound is going. Secondly, the 50-30-20 rule significantly reduces stress related to money. We've all had those sleepless nights, worrying about bills, debt, and unexpected expenses. But with the 50-30-20 rule, you can rest easy, knowing you have a plan in place. It's like having a financial safety net, always there to catch you if you fall. This financial peace of mind can be truly life-changing. Lastly, the 50-30-20 rule promotes a healthier financial lifestyle. It's not about depriving yourself of the things you enjoy, but rather about finding a sustainable balance between living for today and preparing for tomorrow. It's about breaking free from the chains of financial uncertainty and stepping into a future where you're in control of your own destiny. So, the question isn't really, why should you care about the 50-30-20 rule, but rather, why wouldn't you? This rule is not just another financial fad. It's a proven strategy that can help you navigate the often choppy waters of personal finance with confidence and ease. With the 50-30-20 rule, you are not just surviving paycheck to paycheck, but thriving. So why not give it a try? You've got nothing to lose and a whole lot of financial freedom to gain. Ready to make the 50-30-20 rule work for you? Here's how. Firstly, it's all about tracking your income and expenses. You can't manage what you don't measure. Use a budget planner or a financial app to record where your money is going. Pen and paper work just as well if you're more old school. Knowing how much you earn and spend each month is the first step towards better financial health. Next, differentiate between your needs and wants. Needs are expenses that are crucial for your survival and well-being. Think housing, food, utilities, and healthcare. Wants, on the other hand, are lifestyle choices. That new designer bag, the latest smartphone, a weekend getaway. These are nice to have, but not essential. The 50-30-20 rule encourages you to allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and the remaining 20% to savings. And now, let's talk about saving. Prioritize it. Consider it as paying your future self. Start small if you have to, but make it a habit. The 20% of your income that goes into savings can be your emergency fund, retirement plan, or funds for future investments. The important thing is to start saving and to keep saving. Remember, the key to financial freedom isn't earning more, it's managing better. Making the 50-30-20 rule work for you is all about understanding your financial habits, making smart decisions, and committing to a healthier financial lifestyle. The power is in your hands. There you have it, the golden key to your financial health. We've journeyed through the 50-30-20 rule, a simple yet transformative formula to steer your financial ship. Remember, your necessities, your wants, and your savings all have their rightful place. Balance is not just the key to a healthy life, but also a healthy wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your appreciation fuels our motivation to keep creating valuable content. Until next time, here's to your financial health.